and if we have many buyers that think this is worth 500 bucks, this is going to go higher and we are just going to join the ride. We don't care if it's true or not that it's worth 500 bucks. Hello guys, it's Friday. Let's take a look at the stock market. Are there any buying opportunities left? Tesla is up $2.11, 1.2%, closed at 178.65. Let's look at what this means on the chart. So, okay, we are bouncing on 176.73, you know, the support that was used in the past year. It was used last year, so now we are back right onto it. We seem to be bouncing. This is only one candle. We still have not gone higher than the high of yesterday. So we'll see what happens. We are still below 180.38. So yeah, maybe Tesla is going to flatline a little bit. We'll see next week. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX, okay, I don't like this. Yes, it's a little bit lower on the close, but look at how high it went today and then came back down. So this is a concern. 10-year bond, this is not a concern. This is going down, and US dollar also going down quite significantly, I would say. Let's take a look at our stock indices. So stock indices, we are indeed into our congestion zone. We don't know where things are going to go. S&P 500 continuing its move up. This one is strong. NASDAQ also regained in the bullish channel. We'll see what happens next week. Let's take a look at our EV stocks. So, you know, BYD is having a hard time staying in the bullish channel. So we are down 2%. We are stuck between 23 and 26, basically. Radian has announced two new cars. You know, these are derivatives on the R1T and R1S, or the R2 and R3. So smaller version of the SUV. Pretty nice. I am watching that as we speak. So pretty nice cars starting at 45K. So this is interesting. This seems to have pushed the stock a little bit higher today. So we broke 1220. Yeah, this is the all-time low. We are at the all-time low for Radian. And let's take a look at this here, right here. You know, in terms of revenues, they have 1.3 billion in revenue. In terms of, we still are 1.5 billion in the red. So, you know, if it is going up because the company is not profitable, so if it is going up, there's enough people that are believing the story to prop the stock back up. Who are we to say that Radian stock was not worth 26 bucks in the past? People believed it was, so it was worth. So we pay what we think it's worth. And I don't play that game. We don't play this game on the channel. We are playing the game of where is the tug of war between the buyers and sellers. And if we have many buyers that think this is worth 500 bucks, this is going to go higher and we are just going to join the ride. We don't care if it's true or not that it's worth 500 bucks. Xpeng going sideways. Neo going sideways. The Magnificent Seven. Apple seem to stabilize a little bit. Amazon now, I am not happy with this congestion zone either because, you know, we are breaking up and down, up and down, up and down. So this is not representing what is happening right now. I'm going to expand the congestion zone to 180.11. And I think I'm going to remove that one. This is where we are at. Google wanting to get back into the downward channel, but still it's a downward channel. So there's not much we can do here. Meta continuing its way up. So, you know, this congestion zone is right. You know, we broke it once for good at the close right here on February 29th. And then we went a little bit higher, almost touched it again and are continuing. So this is exactly what should be happening when we have our lines right. Microsoft congestion zone, nothing to do. And Nvidia continuing its way up. This is pretty strong. So, you know, we called it on January 8th here. We called it, this was a buy right here. And look at this. So 500 bucks to, you know, this is a double. This is 100%. So this is super great. ARM, this is just into a congestion zone. Palantir, yes, this is a red candle, but at least we are, we made a higher high and we made a higher low. So let's hope that this one continues also. AMD also launching, just like Nvidia was not too long ago. So I don't know if it will go as far, but it's launching. SMCI continuing. The stock is crazy. I don't know much about it, but I just know it's crazy. Gold continuing, happy about that. Silver also, we had the buy at $8, and now we are continuing a little bit. Put your stop loss just below $8. I don't use a percentage for the stop loss. I use the support precedent. So, it's pretty clear here that we had some support at 789. So if we are just a little bit lower than 789, Bitcoin doing nicely. Ripple also doing nicely. Neo battery material, this is a bounce that might not last a long time. Novomont graphite also bouncing on 227 approximately. I don't believe it yet. And Novonix continuing against smooth. This is great to see this. So, Tesla is the company people love to hate, and Elon also. So we'll see what happens next week. I think that 194.35 is still a significant milestone that we need to break in order to consider that the stock is going to go higher. It tried it last week, did not go super far, but my guess is that it is going to try it again eventually. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are also going to talk on Sunday because I do a weekly live every Sunday for my members, so you can join us. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.